Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to charge the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. It's quite simple, but it doesn't come with all the parts that you need to charge, basically. So you have this that comes with the watch, and then we have a USB type A. So we need a power brick like this one that goes into your outlet. This is one that's made by Aoki, and basically it has to be USB A. You could also charge with a computer or anything like that that you might have on your desk. So we grab our USB A, we plug it onto our brick. This has to be plugged to the power. And then as you can see on the charger little like backpack that it has here, it has two little pin contacts. So we have to put the pins on the back of the watch that are here towards that. And the actual case has a cutout. So the cutout is where the button goes. So when we put this in and we click it, we will see that it's charging. As you can see now, the watch is charging. One thing to note, this won't charge with the watch in the direction that it's at now because it actually has the cable coming from out the other side. So it actually wants you to put it on its side. So that's how you put it. And when you have it charging and you click it on the side, it actually gives you like an alarm clock style, which is kind of convenient if you have it on your bedside table. So that is how you charge the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.